Welcome to Aapki Parneet. I hope you all are doing very well. मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. Today we are here at Macy's after Christmas and I see lots of sweaters and coats everywhere with great discounts. So I'm going to show you what they've got, try some on and share the prices of few. I'm looking at sweaters that pair well with denims and these colors are perfect for everyday outfits. Baby pink, it looks soft and pops up against blue denim without being too loud. And off-white offers a very super clean look, perfect for casual wear. And here is maroon and chocolate brown for that rich and winter look. I also found the return of some evergreen styles like this blue and off-white with subtle blue borders. Out of the two sweaters that I tried, I liked the material of both sweaters, but I wasn't a big fan of pink one because of the white borders at the bottom. The green one felt more flowy, so I preferred that one. I also found these super soft, lightweight fleece t-shirts in different pastel colors. They really sit well, give a very relaxed look. They were priced at $37 after 30% off. Moving on to the short jackets, I found one in denim and the other looked like leather, not quite sure, but with synthetic fur inside. They were quite pricey. Even after 30% discount, they were priced at $105. The Levi's basic full sleeve t-shirts were priced at $35. The bordered sweater is hung next to the long flowy skirts, so this tight short look will look good with the long skirts. Another option you may want to explore. These long buttoned fleece shirts were priced at originally $129 and were now available at 50% of the price. So we are going to try this one. This one is at a very good price. It was originally priced at around $200 and now it is at $89 at Macy's. So let me show you. This is almost my size.
Aquí estoy, ve.
So let's button up.
Estas son diferentes, las que están allá son diferentes a estas.
So this is
Mira.
around $89.
Yelling is medium, va.
Another very beautiful color that I found was this tan. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my size, but then this was a closer fit to mine. आप मुझे comment section में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको इन दोनों shades में from steel blue and tan, which one did you like more? Or if you had to buy, which one would you prefer? It was originally at $289 and now at a discounted price at $109. It's Steve Madden. Black. This one. All the sizes are available. Look at this. This one if you're looking for something bright. Black and grays go with almost everything, and look at the belt to give you a slippery neat. There you go. Look at these ones. This is chemical. Let's check the price. They were originally at $269 and you have 50% off. So with looking at all these jackets and sweaters and coats, I feel that after Christmas is a good time to shop because you get a lot of additional discounts. And look at this by Calvin Klein. And this one, and it is now priced at $160. Look at the belt. But then, yeah, this one. And let's check out some more. And these are the jackets. Now we are in the jacket section. I don't know, is that called the peanut jacket style? I'm not sure. In the black, this one is at $109. So Macy's has lots to offer in terms of winter wear. So in nutshell, most of the jackets are in black, brown, tan, grays, and when we checked out the sweater section, I saw lots of baby pinks and baby blues. Let's go check this out. Look at this. Look at these ones. Let me pull one out to give you an idea. Please fur inside and look at the closely done stitches. It is priced at such a good price at $97. And it's not fluffy. So ladies, you need to check this out. Okay. This one, if you're looking for something long, and this one, let's keep going. The Parneet, I don't know what you call it, but that's all. Okay. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. And lots of love till we meet next time. Keep watching Aapki Parneet.